Greetings, everyone. We had a great day today. We learned something. Got a call in from a client reporting that her garbage disposal and her dishwasher are tripping the breaker when she runs the dishwasher. Upon arriving, my first thing was to, of course, check the electrical circuits, make sure everything was good, no wires were nicked, nothing was loose. That all checked out, and so I began to dive in, shout out to YouTube, and figure out how to dismantle the dishwasher in order to fix the problem. And up next, you'll see what's the most common reason for a dishwasher not draining your water, and that's food. You're not supposed to put food in your dishwasher or your garbage disposal. It will clog it up, and it also will begin to smell. Keep that in mind, and also keep in mind that it's not worth the $200 fee that I'm going to charge you. So here you go. Here, all this water is the first thing I noticed. This is not normal. So, of course, I fired up that YouTube account and I dismantled that buddy. And voila. Ooh, look at that. That's the reason why the water won't go down.